Bonjour, les étudiants of class 10. I hope you're doing good. So the last class we were doing the exercises of lesson 3, Félicitations, right? We almost finished the exercises of lesson 3, and today we'll be continuing the translation of lesson 3. We got two dialogues, Dialog A and Dialog B. So the Dialog A, it's about congratulating a co-worker. Okay, so one of a person in our team, okay, he got a promotion, and the other colleagues, the other co-workers, they congratulate him. So that's what the situation of Dialog A. And in Dialog B, it's actually a teacher who is congratulating a student who cleared the public exam, 12th standard public exam. And then we got 5 questions. We'll be finishing those. We'll be saying the translation and also the question answers. Okay, we'll get into the slides. And here it is, the first dialogue. The first dialogue, it is dans une entreprise, in a company. Okay, in an enterprise, in a company, the situation happens. It's actually a conversation between Arun and his colleagues, okay, and his co-workers. So they didn't mention any name. They just said Arun and collègue 1, collègue 2, colleague 1 and colleague 2. Okay, you can write as colleague or co-worker. So I'll just read it once in French, you just observe, and then you'll see the translation. Dialogue A. Dans une entreprise. Arun. Bonjour mes collègues. Hier, j'ai reçu la confirmation du siège social. On m'a confié le poste du directeur commercial. Les collègues, félicitations. Arun, c'était une grande surprise pour moi. C'était aussi un grand rêve pour moi de diriger le service commercial. Collègue 1, tu l'as bien mérité. Collègue 2, en plus tu travaillais en toute sincérité. Tu venais au bureau même le week-end pour terminer les projets. Arun, vous me souteniez pendant la crise. Merci beaucoup à tous. So this is it, the situation. Arun got a promotion and his colleagues are felicitating him. Okay, so that's what this is about. And here we got the translation. So before saying the English translation, we'll see in oral. Dans une entreprise, in a company. Okay, dans une entreprise, which means in a company. So Arun is starting. Bonjour mes collègues. So hello my colleagues. Hi my colleagues, or good morning my colleagues. Hier j'ai reçu la confirmation. Yesterday I received the confirmation du siège social. Siège social, it means headquarters. So yesterday I received the confirmation from the headquarters. On m'a confié le poste du directeur commercial. So they appointed me, okay, they appointed me for the posting of commercial manager or commerce manager. Okay, so the marketing manager, okay, or commerce manager. So on m'a confié, okay, so on m'a confié, which means they have appointed me, okay, they have appointed me or selected me, okay, for the posting, le poste, okay, le poste, which means the posting, directeur commercial, for the marketing manager. Okay. So les collègues, the colleagues, what they say, félicitations, congratulations. Okay, felicitations, you can say. In English we got the same word, or you can say congratulations or congrats. Okay. Arun, c'était une grande surprise pour moi. It was a big surprise for me. It was a big surprise for me. C'était aussi un grand rêve pour moi de diriger le service commercial. it was also a big dream for me to manage the marketing team. Okay, to manage the commerce team or to manage the marketing team. So, c'était une grande surprise pour moi. It was a big surprise for me. It was also a big dream for me to manage, to guide or to direct the marketing team, marketing service. Collègue 1, tu l'as bien mérité. Okay, so you really deserved it. Okay, so you really deserved it. You deserve it very well. Okay, so you deserve it. You can write tu l'as bien mérité. Mérité, which means to deserve something. Okay, so to deserve it. Collègue 2, en plus. Okay, and also. Okay, en plus, which means and also, in addition. Okay, tu travaillais en toute sincérité. Tu travaillais en toute sincérité, which means you were working. So it's the imperfect, the tense it's imperfect, past continuous. You were working in all sincerity. Okay, so you were working sincerely. Tu venais au bureau même le week-end pour terminer les projets. Okay, you used to come to the office even the weekends. Okay, to finish the projects. Okay, normally that's integrity, right? It's integrity, which means like you do your work. Okay, so you are aware of your responsibility. You do your work without anyone forcing you, pushing you to. Okay, so that's what it is. So en plus tu travaillais, so in addition, and also you were working sincerely. You used to come to the office even the weekends to finish the projects. So Arun, the last line, vous me souteniez pendant la crise. Okay, vous me souteniez pendant la crise, which means you were supporting me or you supported me during the crisis. Okay, the crisis thing you would have learned in social science and so on. Crisis is the hard times. Okay, we say the crisis. Merci beaucoup à tous. Okay, you were supporting me or you supported me during the crisis. Thanks a lot to everyone. Merci beaucoup à tous, which means thanks a lot to everyone. So now we'll see the English translation. Okay, it's not almost the same words that we used. Okay, so you can even write it on your own, but check if it's not so different from the topic. In a company, Arun, good morning, my colleagues. Yesterday, I received the confirmation from the head office. Okay, head office or headquarters. I'm appointed as the director of commerce. Okay, I am appointed or they appointed me for the posting, okay, of the managing director. Okay, so the marketing manager. Colleagues, congratulations. So Arun, it was a big surprise for me. It was also a big dream for me to manage the commerce department or the marketing team. Colleague 1, you deserved it. Okay, you deserved it. Colleague 2, in addition, and also you were working sincerely. You used to come to the office even during weekends to finish the projects. Arun, you supported me during the crisis. Thank you all. Yeah, so hope it's fine. So now we'll head to the question answers of the dialogue A. So here. So quel poste a-t-on confié à Arun? So quel poste a-t-on confié à Arun? So what post has been given to Arun? Okay, what posting has been given to Arun? So le directeur, okay, du commerce, right? Okay, so le directeur du commerce, or you can write it as a full sentence. On a confié le directeur du commerce à Arun. Quel sentiment Arun éprouve-t-il concernant son nouveau poste? Quel sentiment Arun éprouve-t-il concernant son nouveau poste? Okay, so what sentiment Arun expresses regarding his new posting? How does he feel? Okay, so it was a big surprise for him, and also it was his dream. Okay, it was a big surprise, and also it was his dream, right? So c'était une grande surprise et c'était son rêve. Okay, c'était son rêve. So you'll see the answers here. On lui a confié le poste du directeur commercial. Okay, on lui a confié le poste du directeur commercial. Le poste du directeur commercial is the important word. Okay, le poste du directeur commercial is the important one. And the second one, quel sentiment Arun éprouve-t-il concernant son nouveau poste? C'était une grande surprise pour lui. Okay, you can stop with this. Okay, c'était une grande surprise pour lui. Or if you want, you can continue with et aussi un rêve. Et aussi son rêve. And also his dream. Okay, et aussi son rêve. Oui, c'est bon? You okay with this? So now we'll move to the dialogue B. So here is the situation for the dialogue B. Réussite à l'examen du bac. Okay, so réussite à l'examen du bac. On vient d'annoncer le résultat du baccalauréat. Dominique a réussi à l'examen. Son professeur le félicite. So réussite, it's actually the noun form of the verb réussir. Réussir, which means to succeed, to pass, to get through. Okay, so réussite à l'examen du bac, which means success in the public examination. So bac, it's actually the short form of baccalaureate. Okay, short form of baccalaureate, it's bac, which means 12th standard. Okay, so now you are in 10th standard. Okay, in 2 years, okay, you will be in 12th standard. So when you finish 12th standard, so as per the French education system, we call it as baccalaureate. Okay, baccalaureate. So this is actually the situation. Réussite à l'examen du bac. Okay, success in the bac exam. On vient d'annoncer le résultat du baccalauréat. So on vient d'annoncer, it's passé récent, it's recently passed. So they just announced the baccalaureate results. Okay, they have just announced the public exam results. Dominique a réussi à l'examen. So Dominique has succeeded, has passed the exam. Son professeur le félicite. His teacher felicitates him. Okay, le it's actually him. Okay, so direct object. So now we'll see the French dialogue. It's actually a conversation between the teacher and Dominic. Okay, so we'll read it once and then we'll go for the English meanings. Le professeur. Bonjour Dominique. Félicitations pour la réussite au bac. Dominique. Merci madame. Le professeur. Nous sommes très contents pour toi. Dominique. C'était possible grâce à vous, madame. Vous étiez un grand soutien pour nous. Vous nous encouragiez toujours. Vous nous motiviez tout le temps. Le professeur. J'ai fait mon travail. Mais toi, tu étais régulier au cours et tu travaillais bien dur. Donc c'est un succès bien mérité. Qu'est-ce que tu comptes faire après le bac? Dominique. Je n'ai pas encore décidé. Je consulterai mes parents avant de prendre une décision. Mais j'ai une passion pour la médecine. Le professeur. Bravo, tu seras un bon médecin. Dominique. Merci madame pour votre encouragement. So that's it. So it's actually a conversation between the teacher and Dominic. So Dominic has cleared his 12th standard public exam with some good marks. So his teacher, she's saying like, we are so proud of you, happy for you, and what you'd like to do after the exam. And so Dominic is thanking back. Okay, so thank you, ma'am. So it's all because of you, and so on. And he haven't yet decided what to do after his 12th standard. He'll be like maybe consulting with his parents, or he got a wish of taking medicine. Okay, so that's what this is about. So we'll go line by line now. Le professeur, the teacher. Bonjour Dominic. Good morning Dominic. Félicitations pour la réussite au bac. So congratulations on passing the 12th standard exam. Dominic, merci madame. Thank you ma'am. Le professeur, nous sommes très contents pour toi. We are very happy for you. Nous sommes très contents pour toi. We are very happy for you. Dominic, c'était possible grâce à vous, madame. C'était possible grâce à vous. It was possible because of you, ma'am. Okay, grâce à vous, which means thanks to you, ma'am, or because of you, ma'am. It was possible because of you, ma'am. Vous étiez un grand soutien pour nous. You were, or you have been, okay, you were or you have been a big support for us. Soutien means a support. Okay, even in the last dialogue we saw, you were a big support for us. Vous nous encouragez toujours. Okay, so you used to encourage us always. You used to encourage us always. Vous nous motiviez tout le temps. You motivated us. You were motivating us all the time. Toujours means always. Tout le temps means all the time. You were motivating us all the time. So le professeur, j'ai fait mon travail. I did my job. I did my work. I did my job. Mais toi, but you, tu étais régulier au cours. You were regular to the classes. Okay, tu étais régulier au cours. You were regular to the classes. Et tu travaillais bien dur. And you used to work very hard. Et tu travaillais bien dur. And you used to work hard. Donc c'est un succès bien mérité. So it's a well-deserved success. So it's a well-deserved success. Qu'est-ce que tu comptes faire après le bac? Qu'est-ce que tu comptes faire après le bac? So what you are planning to do after the bac, okay, after the 12th standard. What you are planning to do, what you are planning to do after 12th standard. Dominic, je n'ai pas encore décidé. I haven't yet decided. I haven't yet decided. Je consulterai mes parents avant de prendre une décision. So I will consult. So here we are using future simple. Okay, future simple. We are using almost all the tenses in this dialogue. So I will consult my parents before taking a decision. Je consulterai mes parents avant de prendre une décision. I'll consult my parents before taking a decision. Mais j'ai une passion pour la médecine. But I have a passion towards medicine. But I have a passion for medicine or towards medicine. Le professeur, bravo, tu seras un bon médecin. So bravo, okay, so great. You will be a good doctor. You will be a good doctor. Dominic, merci madame pour votre encouragement. So thank you ma'am for your encouragement. So hope it's fine. Now we'll see the English translation. So passing the 12th standard public examination. Okay, this is actually the situation. Before the dialogue, you go to write this. Passing the 12th standard public examination. The 12th standard public exam results have just been announced. Dominic has passed the exam. His teacher congratulates him. So here, so the teacher, good morning, Dominic. Congrats on passing the 12th standard exam. Dominic, thank you, ma'am. The teacher, we are very happy for you. We are very happy for you. Dominic, it was possible with the help of you. Okay, it was possible because of you. Okay, or it was possible thanks to you or with the help of you. You were a great support for us. You were a great support for us. You always encouraged us. You always encouraged us. You motivated us all the time. You motivated us all the time. The teacher, I did my work. I did my work. But you were regular to the classes. Okay, so that's more important. Okay, so to be regular to the classes. But you dumbos, see what you do. You are at home. Okay, fine. It's not your fault. But you were regular to the classes and you worked really hard. And you worked really hard. So it's a well-deserved success. So it is a well-deserved success. What are you planning to do after 12th? What are you planning to do after 12th? Dominic, I have not yet decided. I will consult my parents before taking a decision. But I have a passion for medicine. I have not yet decided. I will consult my parents before taking a decision. But I have a passion for medicine. The teacher, great. You will be a good doctor. Dominic, thank you, madam, for your encouragement. So that's it. Hope it's okay. So now we'll head to the question answers. Qu'est-ce que le professeur a fait pour l'étudiant? Qu'est-ce que le professeur a fait pour l'étudiant? What the teacher did for the student. Okay, so what she did. So she motivated him, she encouraged him, she supported them, right? Okay, so le professeur a soutenu, a motivé, oui, so a encouragé. Okay, le professeur a motivé, a encouragé, a soutenu l'étudiant. Okay, so that's what she did, right? She encouraged, she motivated, and she supported. So B, the second one. Comment Dominique travaillait-il pour réussir au bac? Comment Dominique travaillait-il pour réussir au bac? How Dominic worked to succeed in the 12th standard exam. So how did he do? How did he work, okay, to pass the 12th exam? That too with great marks. So he was regular to the classes. Okay, he was regular to the classes and he was sincere, right? Yeah, he worked really hard. Okay, so he was regular to the classes and he worked really hard. Okay, il était régulier au cours et il a bien travaillé ou il a travaillé dur. So the third one, que Dominic veut faire après le bac? So what Dominic wants to do after the bac? So que Dominic veut faire après le bac? So il avait une passion pour la médecine. Okay, he got a wish of taking medicine, but he will consult his parents. Okay, so that's what it is. So he will consult his parents, but he got a small dream of taking medicine. Okay, il avait une passion pour la médecine, mais il consultera ses parents. So we'll see the answers now. Le professeur a soutenu et a motivé les étudiants. Okay, the teacher supported and motivated the students. A soutenu et a motivé les étudiants. So if you want, you can even add encouragé. Okay, you can just add a comma after a soutenu. You can write a encouragé et a motivé les étudiants, or even this is fine. Comment Dominique travaillait-il pour réussir au bac? Second question. Il a été régulier au cours et il a travaillé bien dur. Okay, so he was regular to the classes and he worked well. Okay, and he worked really hard. So the third one, que Dominique veut faire après le bac? Okay, so what Dominic wants to do after the 12th standard? Il a une passion pour la médecine. Il a une passion pour la médecine, mais il consultera à ses parents. But he'll consult to his parents. Yes. Yeah, okay, so that's it for today. The next class maybe we'll be starting a new lesson, or we'll see the composition of this lesson. Okay, so be safe, guys. Try to finish the classwork. Okay, so and try to send the picture of it. Okay, so we'll share it in the group. So thank you, take care, see ya.